Out now, the August-September issue of HVAC&R News. Our cover feature explores one of the most hotly debated issues in the industry today, refrigerant transition. We also look at a small invention that could have a big impact in our industry, press fittings. Our skills workshop gives expert advice on commercial kitchen exhaust maintenance. There's the latest updates on the Aussie industry, plus everyone's favourite page, the lighter side. Grab a copy today from your nearest wholesaler or TAFE and catch up with the hottest news from the world's coolest industry. HVAC&R News, brought to you by AIRAH.